Hello, welcome back. Let's go to my room. Five or seven. Okay, this is my step for now. I already came in, so that's my bag. That's my riding gear. That's my helmet. And that's me. And the beautiful part is the view. Obviously, this is the end. Okay, maybe they need to improve on this stuff, but okay, fine. Working space decent enough, and I think this is worth it. Like, it's really worth it. We can literally sit here, and which I'm gonna do now anyways. And then watch that's it. Decent enough. I don't say it's a 5-star kind of a hotel, but yeah, pretty much decent. And the best part here is definitely the view. I give credit to the view. That's the exceptional part. This is all okay kind of stuff, so fine. That's the gym. I think decent enough. What's the time? 8:40 a.m. in Bangalore. What's the temperature? Let me check. Seems like it's still loading now. Let me look at the phone. Oh, no wonder. No Wi-Fi. Let's just go and have breakfast. Pancakes. Oh, I am seeing pancakes for a very long time. It's been almost 3 years since I last saw the pancakes. Bread. Fruits. Excuse me, do you have any fruit salads?
Fruits. Yes, sir.
The only those?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Papaya and muskmelon.
Muskmelon and papaya.
Thanks.
Start recording.
Oh yeah, I am back to my room now and it's almost 10:48 a.m. It's almost 11 a.m. So let me just import this video and start editing this. So I will catch you in next one then. Bye bye. So far the hotel is pretty much good but not great because it's under renovation, but that's okay.